Welcome everyone. I think I was a little bit better set up today than I was yesterday. And I also think that we should finish up today. It's going to be tight, and I hope it won't be ridiculously long video. But I think we should be able to get done today. We're in the home stretch anyway. So first and foremost, let's put this guys up here. Start off with this need. Let's see. Oh, I need to pull some pieces first. F05 times 2. There's one. Okay, there. F05 times 2. And F04 and F7, F04 and F07, and then G02 and G03, G03, okay, keep those in somewhat of an order. Okay. And okay. I think these are all labeled, so I'm glad to see that. And we go this side. The F05s. Okay, go into these slots here, it looks like. So it's right through the middle. Yeah, and it does tie into the bottom of the... I can get it tilted more. This structure goes down there, and there's some slots in there, and these look like they're supposed to just pop right in there and hold the whole... Yep, hold the whole structure together. It looks like. Oh, you can probably see better from here. Yep. Yeah, definitely see better from there. All the way in there. Okay. Then G02 and G03 over here on the side. Okay, so G02 and G03. Sort of curious why they made this one so long. But well, I guess maybe do some support underneath the bottom there. Alright. Then back here we go F04 and F07. Okay. Now that really put that base on solid. That's good. I thought there was feet. I didn't realize that was actually securing the structure. Would have done it yesterday if I'd known that. Maybe not. I don't know. I was ready to quit yesterday, I believe. Okay. Now we're back to pulling parts again. D04. D04. And it says to cut out a 3cm toothpick, and I hope that's 3 centimeters. An inch is 2.5 centimeters. That looks about right to me. So I'm gonna that much there, and slam the end down a little bit there. few on the end. And a little bit extra here. Just give me some room to I didn't quite clean that up. And I'll sand this down. Hopefully, yeah, a little bit extra, but I'm good with that amount of slop. Okay. And also need D10, it says. Little. Okay, there you are. Okay. Then 4 sleeves. 3, 4. And we go. Looks like it's 2 on the back side. Okay, that's. There it goes. Two on the back side. Through this guy. Another sleeve. Through this guy. And another sleeve. Starting to have my doubts about that being 3 centimeters. So 3.2, okay. So okay. Okay, then I need T2, which is the. I think they've actually already fallen out. These guys, T2 and T2, and a D08 in the stack. D08. Okay. Let's see. I don't see any. Okay. And 6 marbles out, it says. It calls them marbles. They look like ball bearings to me. And it looks like. Okay. Let me. Get the peel off of these guys. And I did get my next couple of projects delivered. I think it was yesterday, actually, maybe the day before. I'm pretty excited about them. I'm looking forward to getting back. It's more rocker stuff, and it's a couple of the bigger sets that I've bought from Rocker, so I'm anticipating them taking a little bit, but if I keep going at the pace that I have been going, it won't. I'm going to try and get that to more, maybe the 30 to 45 minute range. I'm not sure yet. Like I say, I generally just play it by ear. Okay. That says insert. I'm hoping the plexiglass holds in the yeah, to sort of act like a, yeah, holds them in place. Cool. Okay. And now this. Okay, it said that this section here, this last section, is supposed to be empty. So, I guess, do you want it fairly close there? Need to make sure that's up. In. Okay. Is that all it does? It just sort of sits there? I guess so. Okay. Oh, there are more pieces. Now. Okay, DO6, there's a side piece. Okay, yeah, DO6 and DO6, there's two sides. And D11 and D14. Okay, so this is going to go over top and hook into this slot. Appears, yeah. And likewise over. Well, I get that backwards because I want the writing, the decoration showing. Over that. And same thing over here. Okay. Now we'll take get back in there. 11 through here. Let's see. Okay, there it went. Alright. Yeah, okay, so that sort of holds that down and together. And on D14 through this one. And it sort of holds that part together. Alright, so we got our. This is a little wobbly, but it's still. Okay. Oh, and that's got to be. Okay, undo that because I wasn't paying attention and let that switch fall. Okay. So that's got to be like so. Try that again. Do the bottom. Okay, that one in place. Then this one. Okay, now that's going to be a selector switch, I'm sure. It's going to roll down through there, I think. Where's the picture? Okay, it's going to hit that and decide which channel, which track it's going to take, I think. Okay. Okay, now that it's all assembled, you push the toothpick in. And that makes everything nice and solid. And you cut it off even with there. So, about this way. Ooh. Yeah, I'm satisfied with that. Okay, here. Okay. Okay. And that concludes page 33. Now, our assembly back into place. And it goes over the top here and into this hole, I think. Yeah. This goes in the bottom. These sort of over the, yeah. Well, it's gonna. Okay, so yeah, so this goes in here and sort of. Okay, maybe the top first then. Yeah, top. Put the top on first, and then the bottom will slide in. Yeah, that's got fairly well locked in place. We're still, gears still all turning there. Dig it. Actually, that's going to be, okay, I see what they've done there. I'm going to have to trim these off too at some point. Oh, well, that was all that was on page 34. It says to check the switch, make sure it's moving. Get the handy dandies to this. Yeah, it's still working in there. Okay, that was. And now we're supposed to add the tracks on. So the track with the switch and the counterweight goes on this side, oriented like so, into slot down here. And then, okay, and then these guys are gonna go there. It looks like. Get it. It's not going all the way down though at the bottom. Okay, there it went. Okay, there's a. Got some places for the tracks to line up here too, so that's end up there, that like that, and these guys, little separation here, and into those. Okay, everything just sort of fell into place there. I like it. Now this side, this toothpick a little bit here worries me, so let's see, does it have clearance there? That toothpick is going to be in the way, so I'm going to go ahead and trim it down flush with the edge here. It escaped. But, okay, now hopefully the same thing will go on this side. Slide it into its slot. Okay, yep. It automatically popped in up there. I don't even have to, didn't even have to line it up. It just went home. Gotta love that. And a little separation there. Oh, boom. Okay. Make sure everybody's gone home. We got, wow, that came together rather quickly. Well, that is one of those supports just fell out. Back one, yeah, back one. Yeah, these are probably going to require glue because these are really loose on those. That's something to be covered. Okay. And that was page 35. Basically, and 36. And 37. Okay, I just skipped a bunch of pages there. All right, now it's just a matter of getting them from here back here to load them back up in. All right, dig it. So, set you aside. Need B6, 7, and 8. Not 6, 7, nope, 10. 6, 7, 8. Okay. 8, 7, 6. Okay. Excuse me. Had some nachos for supper and they're reminding me. Okay. So take 7, 6. I'm guessing we're going to make that whole line up. Okay, and then this drops through both of them. Okay. Then more B's. 8, 5, 9, and 10. So 8, 5, 9, 10. Okay. Okay, so 10. And 8. And 5 goes here. I think it's that way. Looks like it from the picture. Okay, and then these guys go into these notches here and here, it looks like. Okay. Yep, like so. Okay, I got this one backwards. Supposed to be like that. No. Got it upside down. That's supposed to be like that. Okay, so the writing is up on the one. Okay. There we go. Yeah, I did it right on that one. Okay, so into that slot there. And a slot down to the bottom. There's a slot. This slot. There's one mirroring slots there. I want to get it into that. Yeah, that tab there. That's what I'm aiming for anyway. Over here, maybe. Okay, so that's in there. Okay, I think it. Yeah, while I was fiddling around with that, it went home. Okay. And same thing over here. And two. Whoop. Stay down. Okay, and you did not go home. Okay, I think looks like it needs to go over. No, come back to that. Maybe up a little bit from the bottom. Okay, I think that's as good as I'm going to get it. Okay, I believe that'll work. Let's throw one in just to find out. You go into your. Oh, come on. Yeah, this is. I gotta say, this is a very slow process. Okay, this one has come out of its. No, it didn't. I thought it did. Okay. So that's in good. So that's page 38. Okay. Now I need D09. Looks like times 2. Yeah, 2, because I got one spare set there. So they must be planning on me breaking this one. 29 minutes, okay. Do that. Let me do a stop start right quick. Okay. Almost ran out of, not tape, but video recording ability. Go down. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. Now, this end goes in the slot. Okay, I think I see what it's doing. And that end goes in, whoop, those lower slots there. All right. And now I see why they think we're going to break it. Okay. Okay, that's going to give us some more zigzag motion there. That's what I think it's doing. Now this one, no, it wasn't. That was supposed to go in the upper slot. Darn. Okay. So from there to there. Okay. So in over here. Then in these, the upper slots there. I read the instructions, it would tell me that. Or pay attention to the instructions anyway. I'd like to blame the vague instructions on that, but that was totally me. Yeah, it says. Okay, I'm going to put these in first over here, I think. Okay, then, oh, these are for the upper one, yeah. Yeah, okay, I was right the first time. These go, I didn't see that upper slot there. But yeah, okay. Is that good enough? That doesn't have any. Wait a second. Something's not copacetic here. I think I put this assembly on backwards. So pop that out again. I think I can undo it and redo it here. Yeah, I think this is supposed to go. Can I see it on here? Yeah, I have that goes on the outside. Okay. But that, I think, two things. Okay, there they go. I'm gonna get it out, I think. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Now just put it in on this side. Oh, that means, yep, these things go on the other side too. Okay, so this all goes back in over here. Hopefully. Hooked in there. Okay, gotta snap you guys into place. Okay, yeah, that's gonna be better. These guys over here. Okay. Okay, so that sort of situation instead. And that thing fell out again. That might have been the different one. Oh, no, they both fell out. Yeah, definitely gonna have to glue those. But now back to where we were a second ago. I think it'll work better this way too anyway. That. Okay, so you and you. Okay, got that one there. Yeah, the counterweight's working now. That's gonna be guides. Yeah, okay. This thing again. Every time I pick it up. Now we do the bottom section. You know, the solid end goes in that side. Okay, I'll do this section first. I think the bottom. All right. Okay, so those. That's that section. Yeah, that's no doubt whatsoever. You're gonna have to do glue there. Okay. All right. And now, just some wings. It looks like. Yay. Okay, so need. Oh, back over the T. Okay, there they go. Wing. And wing. And that's all of those pieces. So set you there. T3 and T4. So T3, T4. They appear. Okay, IO3 each. IO3. And IO4. 4 times IO5. One way to do it. Three. 4. Okay, so IO3. So that's going to go over top of it like so. And some peeling. And tomorrow, or this coming up Monday, as I'm recording today, is a holiday weekend for us here. So I think I'm going to be doing a new background on the beginning of the next video. I'm going to try and go through here and clean up and get things a little more straightened up and get rid of some of the clutter that I've accumulated over the last few months of building in here and try and make it a little more presentable. Okay, so that's going to go there and there. Let's see here. Oh, I need some IO5s too. Ah, oh. 05, that's an 06. Where's 05? These eyes. Hey. The instructions say IO5, but it looks like this. It looks like it's IO6. So I'm gonna see how these work, 'cause because it is the last couple of steps, so there's not like there's a lot of other options here. 3, 4 of them. Okay. Thank you. In here. Yes. There, yeah, that's what they meant. This one. And start with, okay, now that I know that, start with the one on the bottom. Let me do that. A little more clearance. It goes, yep. Whoop. Okay, that one doesn't really matter because it's vertical. This one goes down. Oops. All right. And okay, so they're going to end up going into, oops, sorry, too high. These notches here. Focus, there, 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 and there. So this one. No, wait a second, thing. I put them on backwards. Okay, it's supposed to go the other way. It's supposed to go in from this side. No, that's not right. Okay, is it? Okay, yeah, it does go with the plexiglass on the back. Okay, it goes in through this side. Just a minute ago said do the bottom one first, so be your access. All right, okay. This one, okay. Now let's do these guys. Okay, so you go here. Nope, it's supposed to be facing down. What? This one goes up. All right. Now, this goes in. There's slots on the structure here, and these are supposed to just line up with them. In between them and into Okay, that worked. And same sort of thing on this one. I'll just slide you in from the back maybe on that one because it's top and bottom. Yeah. Yep. Okay. That worked. There's our final structure. That thing followed out again. Okay, and I guess put the marbles in and enjoy, it says. So I'm just going to load them up from up here. Okay, well that didn't... Okay. Well. Okay. The first one was an aberration, maybe. Okay. Get you out of there. Okay. Let's see. Load you up. Okay, it didn't go in. Okay, guys, why didn't you go? Oh, there's a toothpick in the way. This guy's in the way. Okay. 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 All right. Let's get going again. See what we can. Okay. Now we got it rocking. I think I'm going to have to buy a few more ball bearings to make it really hum, though. Only needs 2 or 3 more. Okay. That might have been me shaking it because that happened. It appears there's got to be one behind. Yeah, it's not. It won't feed itself unless there's another one behind it down there. If there's only one ball bearing in the bottom, it just sort of stays. Got to have some weight behind it. Okay, cool. I like it. Let's let me pull the camera, the old tripod out, and I think my arms will be long enough to work this one. Again, because there's very much more concentrated area here. So let's so I'm gonna reposition the camera, get the tripod out, and let y'all really see what's going on here. Be right back. Okay, not really. Arms aren't really long enough, but I can. But that's where all the really action's going on, is there. So. much slower pace than I'm used to with all the other marble runs. For it to be as finicky as as much trouble as I had with it, I am very impressed. It feels smooth, nice solid motion. Everything's it's working perfectly. Like that. This whole track back here is very satisfying to watch the marbles, be able to watch the marbles slowly progress up to me. They just sort of hand off to each other, and yeah, yep, I'm digging this. And if you pace it out just right, okay, I don't know what's causing that. It only happens over here. I don't know if there's something wrong with one of these tracks or something. What? It's always off of that side. So, well, 3 times it's happened. It's always been that side. Well, all right, folks. That's going to finish us up for today. I'm glad we did get this finished. I'm glad I did this one. Like I said, this company does more like puzzle boxes and stuff than this is. I think this is the only marble run they've got. If they do little puzzle boxes, I might give that puzzle box thing a shot. If anybody thinks that's a good idea, leave a comment. I'm always open to, I'm not crazy about having to glue stuff because I like the pressure fit better. But okay, it came out here that time. Okay, this thing must be wiggling. I think that must be yeah. That's got to be it. But like I said, I would consider doing something like that. They look like they're fun. So like I say, if you think it's something you'd like to see, leave a comment. I'll surely take it into consideration. Otherwise, thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share, and do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.